Welcome to advancedsoft.com. In this video, we will show you how to run the Facebook Creator to create a large number of Facebook accounts with phone, in other words, with phone OTP code. After downloading and extracting all files that we have provided, you will log in with license and password. Then you will see the interface here. The action field, there are three choices for you to choose. The first one is break with the phone, and the second one is break with Gmail. The third one is break with temporary mail. In this video, we will create accounts with phone, so we select the first one. Next is the number run. This is the number of times that you want the software to run. If you set it at the default, the software will run continuously until you stop it. And you can put any other number here, for example 1000. And this is threads. Threads are the number of accounts that you want to create at the same time. For example, you put 5 here. 5 Facebook accounts will be created at the same time. Next is the proxy source. There are 3 sources for you to choose here. And if you select from file, you have 2 ways to import file proxy. The first one is lines from file. You have to create a text file and name this proxy. Then you enter the IP and ports of proxy here. Click to save. Then click to this icon to upload the file created. Another way is lines from URL. You paste a link of the threads of proxy here. Okay, turn to the next one. As from data, if you select this, you have to scroll down. You can see the data here. Then you click on this icon. This is the database manager. There are 2 ways for you to import proxy here. The first one is manually. You will click on this icon. Then add group, type group name. Then click OK. Click on this group name, click on this icon, add item. Because you create Facebook accounts with phone here, so you will pass the email, password, or recovery mail. You only enter proxy ports, proxy user, and proxy password. Then click OK. You can see all the parameters has imported. And another way is you will create a text file named data or named proxy data. Then you will enter the proxy, the ports, user, and password once per line. You will pass email, password, or recovery mail by leave it blank. Then enter proxy ports, proxy user, and password here. Similarly, you will import the other ones. Then click to save. After that, you click on Convert, import CSV, click on this icon to upload the file created. Then you can rename this group. Then click OK, then close it. After that, you will choose the group that you want to take proxy from. Next, if you don't have proxy, you can select no proxy. The software will use the IP of your computer to run the software. In this video, we will select proxy from file. Next, about the user agents for desktop and mobile. These two files have been provided when you buy the software, so just download and then click to this icon to upload these two files. Next is the OTB service. There are 5 websites have been integrated here. You can choose one of them. The first 4 websites are used for Vietnamese reader, and the last one, 5c.net, we use for an international creator. About the OTB key, after you charge for the OTB code, you will receive the OTB API key to paste it into the sphere. For the OTB country, you will select the country which complies with the country that you select on the website. Here we see that Vietnam. Then you enter the corresponding phone call area. Next one is the first name and last name. These are the names of Facebook accounts. So if you want to create a Facebook nickname as default, you will select random string here and then click on this icon to see the name. Click on hashtag, you will see the name. Similarly with the last name, click on h-text. In case you want to customize the name as you want, you will select lines from file. Then you create a text file, then name them as first name and last name. You open this file and enter name that you want. Then click to save. Do the same with last name file. Open this, enter the last name you want, and click to save. After that, you click on this icon, select the file created. Next, for the password, you will click on this icon, click on h-text to see how the password will be created. Turn to the next one is the folder cookies. You will create a new folder and name it cookies. Then you open the folder, click there to get a link and paste this link into the field. About the data, we have mentioned the birth date. Next, move to enable to FA. You select yes to enable two factors authentication, or otherwise you select no. Finally, you select a gender, male or female, then click OK to run. You will see 2 tabs here, Results and Log. You click on Show Browser to see how the server runs.